reviews and tips once again. So today's product for review is Lotus Herbals Youth Rx Anti Ageing Cream. Lately I've been hunting for a good anti-aging cream without paraben, sulfate or other harmful chemicals, and I stumbled upon this Lotus Herbals anti-aging cream. So I have previously used several makeup products from Lotus and it seemed to be really good. So I expected the same result from this product too. And so what happened? Well, that's what we're going to see in this video. So let's go. So here is this Lotus Herbals cream which comes in this mini pack of 10 grams. So if you are using it for the first time, I suggest you go for this mini pack because you can just try it, and if it suits you or not, you don't know. So better try and then buy a bigger pack. So let's see. So if you can see, this is a very small pack, and this is a cream. You can see like it has a very good and very mild aroma, and it's so nice, and the texture of the cream is also very nice. So let me show you. So you don't even need this much quantity for your face. It's really smooth to apply, but it's slightly greasy and it doesn't get absorbed immediately. So that is a problem I found with this thing. So it's still not completely absorbed, it's still slightly sticky. I can feel it. So now about the composition of the cream. So according to the company, the cream uses only all natural, active and safe ingredients. So hope you can see that. But you don't have the complete list of ingredients that are used in this cream on the box. So all you can see is that it has ginseng and ginger and milk peptides. That's all you can see in the cream. You don't have any clue of what else they have in it. You can see it. These are the only ingredients they have given. And we really don't know what other ingredients they have in it. So that is one concern that I found. So about my experience with this cream, actually I used it for about 1 week, and since I have a combination skin, and I told you that this cream is actually a slightly greasy and oily, it has an oily feel, so it didn't really suit my skin. After 1 week of use, it started giving me breakouts, so I just gave up on it. But it may not be the same for everyone. Maybe if you have dry skin, then, or if you have normal skin, maybe it could suit you. So you need to try it out. As I told you, you can buy this mini pack and then try it and then check if it suits you. Since it didn't suit me, I gave it to one of my family members who has been using it for about 2 weeks now, and she told me that it has actually improved the texture of her skin. Though her skin is really dry, so it must have suited her, unlike my skin. So if you have dry skin or normal skin, I think you can give it a try, but I don't really recommend it for oily and combination skin, but others can give it a try by buying this mini pack of 10 grams. So hope you like this video and found it helpful. So thank you for watching. See you soon with another useful video like this. Do subscribe to my channel and see you soon. Bye.